Hello, my name is Dr. Steve Linheim. I'm professor in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology here at Wright State University, Bunchab School of Medicine.
Hello, I'm Parvane Nori, a current second-year medical student, also from the Wright State University Bunchab School of Medicine.
We recently published our paper entitled Medical Professionalism and Enculturation of the Millennial Physician, Meeting of the Minds.
Recently, we've been hearing a lot about the behavior of younger physicians in the media, especially of the resident and medical student levels. Unfortunately, a lot of this coverage has portrayed the generation in an arguably negative light. Some of the common topics we've been hearing about have ranged from unprofessional off-duty behavior captured on smartphone cameras to editorials discussing the discord in the workplace between junior and senior level physicians. We have arrived to a point where we need to address the differences between the generations that make up our current practicing body of physicians.
In our paper, we take a brief look at how time and culture has shaped the current state of medical professionalism. Our goal when writing this paper was to depict a snapshot of where we are as a professional body now with challenges and its strengths. We are in a state of influx of physicians that are products of a unique generation, the Millennial generation that was brought up with their own cultural norms and to some extent were parented, socialized differently.
I'm part of the Millennial generation, one that strongly prioritizes work-life balance, shift work, and living well-rounded lifestyles. We do not necessarily define ourselves by our occupation. Specifically in medicine, we're training in an age where duty hours are much more stringently restricted during residencies, and technologies are permanent fixtures in our professional and our personal lives. We're virtually connected 24 hours of the day. Whether it came from our cultural experiences growing up, or encouraged by the restricted work hours, my generation is experiencing professional development for the same job in a very different way than our mentors, who are coming from the baby boomer generation or Generation X.
It's very easy to highlight the faults or the challenges of the incoming generation of physicians, but we can't ignore the many strengths they come with. That also doesn't exclude us as senior physicians from blame regarding the miscommunication of our expectations. As mentors, we are obligated to acknowledge the ways in which the incoming generation learn differently and understand that they come with different professional goals. The goal of assessing our generational strengths and challenges, essentially our differences, is to develop ways in which to communicate more effectively. In our paper, we propose the use of medical contracts as a way to come together as mentor and mentee to remove room for misinterpretation, openly reconcile disagreement, and hopefully design mutual expectations will maximize learning, improve productivity, and ultimately preserve a high standard of care for our patients.
We hope that you're able to take the time to read our paper and share your ideas in this ongoing discussion. Thank you very much for your time and for your attention.